Hello guys, welcome to techskillstutorial. This is your guy Johnson Kevin here today on this video episode. So guys, today we'll be talking about the secret why you're failing to succeed as a forex trader and why you fail to make profit as a trader. So guys, before we start talking about this, please, I want you to support my channel by subscribing and do not forget to hit the bell icon if you like the kind of videos I create, and if you are interested about my content, and if you find my content useful and if my content is benefiting you in any way of making money online, please, I would really appreciate if you subscribe, and also do not forget like and share. So today I want to ask all of you a question, my followers and people who are also interested in forex business. Actually, you have to ask yourself what is forex. I know you've gone to research and ask yourself what is forex. But after all that, I know you've been watching tons of videos on YouTube, and you've been making so many researches, looking for mentors and actually thinking how you can make an end meet from forex, or making your life or living from forex. But apart from that, I want to tell you guys that every forex beginners or traders in the market today are suffering one particular thing, which is losses. So the secret there: how do you make money on forex? Why are you failing on forex? Why are you not succeeding? Today, there is a lot of forex traders, forex experts who won't actually tell you the secret how they succeed. They only tell you one particular thing. Hello guys, please, I am an forex expert trader and I can show you the way to trade. You can make money. Every forex trader is actually not an expert. I'm so sorry to tell you that, because I'm also a trader. I started from a beginner. I'm not an expert trader, but I trade as I trade just I don't trade swing. Actually, I only trade I just trade based on taking kind of 10 pips, 20 pips per day based on my level of knowledge on forex. You understand me? So some people say they are swing trader, they are day trader, they are this, they are that. But one thing I want to assure you is that forex is not really that kind of business that you think you can just come in and start making money without losses. You must lose so much on forex, except you have a mentor. Even your mentor do have losses also. So guys, for you to be profitable on forex, you have to take it on your mind. Many forex people out there, they only give you one orientation: buy their big courses. Do you know that most of the forex traders today, they don't make money from trading forex? That's gonna blow your mind. Stay tuned to the end of this video. I have a lot of things to share with you. So guys, a lot of forex traders in the market do not tell you how they make money. They only tell you they make money from trading. What about the money you give to them to buy their courses? Do you know how much forex courses actually worth? Have you ever gone to research how much forex courses or forex academy takes to bring you in as a student and for you to learn? So guys, if you're a trader or a beginner trader in forex market, guys, I will advise you never to buy any forex course. Yes, because actually your money has been used to enjoy lives, and your money has been used to travel different countries and show off that they are traders making big money in the market. It's a lie. They're not only the person in the market. The forex market is sure about 78% for you to make money. The other ones are losses, because every forex trader loses money. You might actually lose half of your account, and you may recover half and extra of that account which you lost, which actually means you are making a little more money, because sometimes it's a bad day and sometimes it's really a good day when you wake up and you make up to $100 and your account is $300. So sometimes you might actually lose like $20 to $30 and you haven't made any profit yet. The market analysis from forex traders are not really accurate, though they only analyze the market based on information and also different areas and angles of making profit. We have the fundamental analysis and the technical analysis, which Forex talks about so much, and that is the only way two dynamic and the strongest tools or courses that you have to take as a trader. Forex courses are mostly free because Forex courses are supposed to be free, sorry to say, are supposed to be free because it's a kind of business that you are going for a risk, a very high risk of your capital. Forex courses are not supposed to be expensive, but because people who are already made it on Forex feel like it's an opportunity for them to use it and tell you that Forex is so difficult, and if you can join them, they will train you. If you pay them, they will tell you everything about Forex, but what they end up giving to you is just a clue about what Forex talks about. And at the end of the day, your $10 to $20 which you've used to buy a Forex course is gone, and that is just for a temporary class Forex. They will tell you they have Zoom, they have this, they have that, after organizing a big classroom, and they take your money and that's it. Bye. Because they look good, you think they're making their money on Forex trading is a lie. Actually, today, guys, I will be taking you people to my account on my FMT5 account. I'm actually on the trade, and I close all my trade for today. So, guys, at first, my advice to people who are beginner traders is never you to think that Forex can give you money without spending time and working for it. You can actually learn Forex yourself. If you want to learn Forex, it's good to come here on YouTube and watch videos, but while watching videos and wasting much time watching people who tell you can make $1,000 on trading Forex and doing all this, while you know very well that the videos are only giving them earnings on YouTube, and you know very well that the videos you are watching are giving them more watch hours, and you are subscribing to their channel, watching all types of videos which are not going to benefit you. They talk different things about Forex, but the only thing I have to tell you about Forex trading is that you have to go and practice yourself. Get a good broker and register. I actually use Derive, and I can actually drop my link below the descriptions of this video. So you can actually use Drive, you can use SNS, any of the broker which is good for you. But one thing for sure is you need a mentor. A mentor is one who can actually guide and show you the way how they come about growing up to become masters. Not charging you $1,000 as a novice who is coming up as a trader. You lose your money while trading, you gain some money while trading, and you still buy the courses. That is so bad. Most of the Forex courses outside this country are actually free, and when you start learning, they actually teach you and you make money for them. They make you look like a worker for them, and when they actually make money for them, it's part of you working for them and making money for them, so they don't actually have to charge you so much. But in Nigeria, here right here, Jeffrey Benson, Happy Forest, some other traders who are living a good lifestyle, top traders in Nigeria, I can actually tell you that they don't make only their money from how come about them loading so much money on their trading account. All the money they are using for trading is not just money they picked on Forex. They actually gather this money from somewhere, which is classes. Which is classes. How do they do this? They actually tell you to buy their courses, and when you buy their courses, they gather so much money to, you know, put everything they really need to go into the market, like funding their accounts and also preparing themselves, getting a good tools for their accounts. So they started somewhere, and you too can start somewhere. Actually, I'm encouraging every forex traders like you and me never to give up on the forex market. So today, guys, I just want to show you my trade for today. I actually made a trade today, and this is my today trade. So guys, this is my today trade. You can see today I made $14 and I'm okay for today. So that's my trade for today, guys. So guys, if you really like what I'm trying to tell you here, if you like and you love this video, please do not forget, share, subscribe. Thank you. I still remain Johnson Kevin. Take care.